Hello, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you the easiest and fastest way on how you can fix photo mode being missing on TikTok. Now, if you didn't know what TikTok's photo mode is, it basically is the slideshows that you see on there, and it allows users to upload up to 35 pictures from the phone's photo gallery, and then they will display one after another, just like a slideshow. So for some users, this glitches out and the feature is not there, so I'm going to guide you through all the ways and how we can fix this in this video. So let's jump into it. So to start with, you first want to go to your profile and then head into your settings. So click on the bottom right corner to head into your profile, and then go to the top right corner and click those three bars to bring this up, and then select settings and privacy. And now from here, we just want to scroll down to the bottom until we see free up space. And what we want to do is just clear our cache, and we also want to clear our downloads. So just click on that clear button and then choose clear, and you want to make sure you fully clear out your cache and your downloads. So after that's done, hopefully that's fixed it. So what we can do here is click this plus icon in the bottom middle, and then you want to make sure the bottom left corner select multiple is enabled, and then from there we can basically just select all the photos we want to add, and we can just go through this list and basically choose everything we want. So now what we can go ahead and do is click switch to photo mode at the bottom. So as you can see, it's now switched to photo mode, and we can switch it like this, and we can also change it back to video mode if we want. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please comment down below to say that it helps you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.